Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to add friends on Snapchat, updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you've just joined Snapchat or are getting back into it, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you connect with your friends in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll see the main camera screen. That's where most of the magic happens on Snapchat. But for now, look to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. It's usually your Bitmoji or a small circle showing your snap. When your profile page opens, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Add Friends. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Snapchat makes it easy to discover and connect with people you know or even new friends you want to add. Now, you'll see a few different ways to find friends. You can type someone's username, check your contacts, or even add people nearby if that feature is available. But let's start with the simplest way, searching for a friend directly. In the search bar at the top, type your friend's name or username. As you type, Snapchat will show you matching profiles. Once you find the right person, tap on their name to view their profile details. Then, all you need to do is tap Add beside their name. That's it, you've just sent a friend request. When your friend accepts, you'll both appear on each other's friends list, and you'll be ready to start snapping, chatting, and sharing moments instantly. Adding friends on Snapchat only takes a few seconds, but it's the first step to enjoying everything the app has to offer, from snap streaks and filters to stories and private chats. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little help setting up their Snapchat too. Thanks for watching.